Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today met Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in New Delhi and submitted memorandum requesting the Ministry of Finance to incentivize national banks and prioritize the setting up of new bank branches in rural areas to increase the reach of banking system in the state. Chief Minister also submitted a memorandum requesting Government of India to increase Meghalaya's share of central taxes. Union Minister was also apprised on the overall financial position of Meghalaya. After meeting Union Finance Minister, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister also met Minister of State for Finance Anurag Thakur and discussed on way forward for initiating externally funded World Bank and new development bank projects in the state. He was also apprised of the 3 externally aided projects that focuses on health, tourism and road infrastructure development in the state.
Yes, along with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, I had gone and met a number of cabinet ministers and Government of India today. Primarily, we had a meeting with our Honorable Minister of Finance, Government of India, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman ji, and I discussed about the different financial situations that is there in the state. The fact that due to COVID and the impact on the economy, our taxes have been affected a lot. Our taxes from the central government have also been affected, and hence I requested her to look into the possibility of increasing or at least giving us the amount which is projected in the budget in terms of the taxes. So those matters were discussed, and Madam has assured that she will definitely examine the matter and look into it. At the same time, I had a discussion also about the banking infrastructure and the fact that we need to increase the number of banks. Madam has also agreed to definitely look into this in a very positive manner.